First, let me introduce the components of this product. It has a locking nut and an extension rod. This is one clamping block, and this is the second clamping block. These two are the positioning pins, and this is the mounting base for the upright post. Now let's begin the installation. The first step is to loosen the screws, and then open it up. After opening it, we need to snap it into place. Once it's snapped in, we can tighten the locking nut. At this point, we use a hammer to reinforce it. Now it is fully installed. You can see it's very sturdy now. It won't loosen no matter how you shake it. At this stage, you can install the post in this position and hang the mesh panels. You can use this small bolt to lock the base. This is what the finished installation looks like. Now 2 people are standing on it, and there are no issues at all. It's very stable.